How to set up Chime account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ways to set up or register for a Chime account. So if you want to go ahead and create an account, then open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in the link that is www.chime.com. That's going to take you to their official page, which will look something like this. So while you're on this page, go to sign up in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then you could see this sort of interface, so make sure to verify that you're a human, and you'll be taken to the registration page. So to begin with, you have to go ahead and provide your basic info, verify, and then you'll be in. So go ahead and type in your information. Tap the next button as soon as you're done with that information. After that, enter in your date of birth and tap the next button. You have to go ahead and register your mobile number as well. As you're done, you'll be taken to the other field. So once you're done typing in or entering your phone number, next thing what you want to do is tap on the next button. You'll be receiving a verification code through your SMS, which you have to enter that. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully set your Chime account. So this is how you could go ahead and enroll your Chime. That's Chime account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.